go.
Here we go. Yep. ONEIDA. Finally at ONEIDA Lake. First time ever fishing here. Beautiful morning. It is a bit after 7. Lots of shanties out here already. We'll meet up with some friends and see if we can catch some fish this morning. That's the way to go right there. The old snow dog. Coming up on a pressure crack right there. Gotta watch out for those. Looks like it runs all the way through here, don't it? Yep. Everybody's staying out deeper. That's where we're going. A little deeper. Well, Justin's already over here pulling in some slabs. Nice. Good job, buddy. Those are some pigs, huh? Nice. Look at that. Right off the bat, huh? Oh, is this first drop right here?
Yeah, this is first drop. We're setting up.
All right. Awesome. Let's do it. That's what you get? Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. Look at that. Those are some beauties. Nice, man. That's some decent ice. Decent ice for sure. All right, guys, we are back out again doing a little video here. We are on ONEIDA today. We are doing a little ice fishing. Hunting season, basically, as far as deer anyway, is pretty much over with for the year. So we're kind of transitioning into some ice fishing now that we actually have some really good weather in New York State. It's been cold for quite a long time, and these lakes have finally locked up. So ONEIDA today for the first outing. Super happy to be out here. My very first time ever ice fishing on ONEIDA with my dad and some other guys that have fished this lake before. So hopefully we'll get on some fish. Do a little setting up some tip-ups here. I got these nice round fray bills that work really well. And some got a little bigger of a treble hook and some have a little bit smaller of one. A big old minnow on this one. Okay. A little bit bigger of a shiner minnow on there. And we will reel this up right to the bobber I got set on the line here, and we're gonna leave it like that. Stick that flag under and we're all good. Okay, gonna get 6 of them out here and then we'll get to jigging. All right, guys, we get our 6 tip-ups in. I'm gonna start jigging here with a little VMC perch colored spoon tipped with a minnow, little minnow head. Get the jig in here, see if we can catch something. Daddy's on. Yeah. Swimming sideways. Yep. That's a good one. Nice. There you go. On the board. Downsized a little bit. Good job, Dad. That's a nice big jumbo. Very nice. Oh yeah. That's what we're here for. Awesome. Good job. Just got hit. You see it? Man. Yeah, it was bending right down. No, missed him. Heading away in the Syracuse airport, maybe? Right over top of us. That's cool. All right, so our basic setup, we got a bunch of tip-ups going here. We got some jigging rods. We got a few other guys trying different spots out deeper. Not too much has happened in this area right here just as of yet. We do have a few jumbos like that one there. That's a nice 11 to 12, I believe. We got some 13s over here. Not doing too bad. We got a few, but nothing crazy. Nothing's really picked up just yet, but there's a couple really nice ones there. So we'll see what happens here. Get a flag, guys, finally. Hopefully we get something on it. Oh yeah, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. All right. Got one. Got a fish finally here. Did he come off? I hope he's still on. Oh, he's on. Don't feel very big though. Just a perch. Yeah, we got one. On the tip up finally. Not huge, but we're gonna keep him. Yeah, nice. All right.
Run and gun.
Yep. Okay, finally a fish, guys. Took a little bit. Decent little perch. I mean, he's keepable. He's not a jumbo, but it's been very slow. So we're going to keep him today, just so we have some stuff to bring home, since we're 2 hours about drive from here. Get this tip up reset and get it back in. These fray bills are super nice. I just love them. One of my favorites. All right. Not too bad. Put them with the other ones over here. All right, well, that was fun. Back to jigging here. Justin just caught a walleye inside the shanty. It was a small one. He took a picture of it. Unfortunately, I didn't get that on video, but he did get a picture. I'll throw that up on the screen real quick. So we're getting some fish here, few and far between. Hoping the evening bite turns on here and things get a little better, but we're getting a few. Well, guys, we're switching to a couple smaller jigs here. I got a little glow in the dark green. Gonna tip it with a waxy. See what happens here. I've been cleaned off a couple times, so I'm sure there's some fish down here. We just gotta keep trying. I'm kind of sitting this way as I'm watching my flags over here, my tip ups, to make sure I'm not gonna miss one. Another flag. Let's see. Nothing. Check the beat real quick. Must have just hit it. No good. Swing and a miss. Winds are picking up. Snow is here. Things have changed rapidly. We're deteriorating, however you say it, really quickly. Little update. Couple hits on the tip ups, one perch and a few other fish jigging, but nothing substantial to speak of. Check these a little bit, make sure everything's good with them. That's a good fish. Yeah, slowly just grab the line. You get some weight to it?
No.
Just drop it. There was a fish all day. It was spinning. Oh man, he might have dropped it. Oh. No, oh no, he dropped it. Oh man, that was a fish for sure. Feel good? Oh yeah, there you go. Nice. So that was fish on there. First time using this thing. That's awesome. Cool. That's a good one. Sweet. Not a bad one. That's a nice one. Keeper for sure. Just sitting here doing the underwater camera in here, guys, and I got perch coming up to it. They're just not interested. They're not hitting it. It's just the way it is right now. The bite is off, unfortunately. Hoping this afternoon it turns on, but we just keep trying. I just had 2 different yellow perch come in and they just were not interested at all. Oh, here's one. Like this guy's right here. You can see him on there. Oh, there's a bunch of fish just came through. Just not interested. That's crazy. There we go. Oh, come on. He popped off. He popped off. Dang it. Had him. Oh, spinning for sure. Yeah. Yep. Got him. That's something. Not huge. Little fish on the tip up here, guys. Oh, big perch. Another big perch. Whoa. Another fatty. Nice. All right, another jumbo. All right. Cool. Another nice one. Look at that. Yeah. Big jumbo. Just before dark here. That might be the last fish of the night. What do you say? First time on ONEIDA in a long time, right? For you. So we're probably gonna end with that one. Nice big fat jumbo perch. So we're gonna pull these and get out of here. We'll get warm. You're ready, right? All right, let's get out of here. Okay. Put one here. There's one more in there.